Hello, everybody. Thanks for being here with me. Our first card is the Ace of Wands. The angels are saying yes. We are all exactly where we are supposed to be at the moment. There are big, happy changes coming our way. And the Dragonfly Spirit says truth transcends illusions. I almost said lies. So, yes, as truth gets exposed to us, we will be feeling a bit lighter, knowing what's going on around us. We have the unicorn spirit coming up, and that's to give us hope and peace and harmony. Um, uh, um, there's been a lot of things, decisions that we had to make, working out what is right and what is wrong in our private situations and in the world. So, but the animal spirit, the stag spirit says, um, take the lead of your own life. That is your path to success. Our angel number is 1818, and it says everything is in perfect order as I enter into the next chapter of my journey. The angels say yes, it's a perfect time for you to take time and rest. Let go and and it's time for us to heal, from within and around. Let go of the past and embrace the future, your new relationships with people and things around you, and your connection with nature and things like that. um, there's magic in the air, and you must look for signs because it's there. And if you know what to look for, it's actually quite beautiful. Trust your intuition. The angels I want you to know once again in every reading, they are with us 100%. They are leading us towards victory, and you will start seeing improvement soon. Thank you very much for listening. I love you all very much. And thank you for those people that subscribed and the lovely messages. I love you all so much.